Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and if you're a lover of art, I've got something special for you guys today. I'm currently in the Victoria Tower Gardens, where we can see the Victoria Tower of the Houses of Parliament, and the closest station to where I am is of course Westminster Station. And in Westminster Station, if you're a lover of art, we've got something phenomenal for you. It is a sculpture by Rodin called The Burghers of Calais, and it makes for many phenomenal photo opportunities, as you will see in a couple of moments. The Burghers of Calais, this monument actually commemorates an event, an episode during the 100 Years' War between England and France, and it is perhaps the most successful of Rodin's outdoor sculptures. Rodin closely followed the account of the French chronicler Jean Froissart, stating that 6 of the principal citizens of Calais were actually ordered to come out of the besieged city with their heads and feet bare. And if we look at their feet just over here, we can see that they are actually bare. But if we have a closer look as well at their necks, they actually were ordered to come out with ropes around their necks, and we can see some of them have prominent ropes right around their necks. And some of them also have the keys of the town in their hands. They were then brought before the English King Edward III, who ordered their beheading. Rodin portrayed them at the moment of their departure from the city, led by Eustache de Saint-Pierre, who is the bearded man in the center of the sculpture. They thought they were going to their execution. However, they were unaware that their lives would ultimately be saved by the intercession of the English Queen Philippa. Now, this is not an original, of course. It's actually a cast of the original. And in fact, 4 casts of the original were made. And this is one of those 4 casts that you can find here in the Victoria Tower Gardens in London, in the city of Westminster. I do hope you've enjoyed this little video. And if you enjoy our videos of London, please do hit the like button, subscribe for more fantastic videos of London. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.